Passive comprehensible input and active studying, also known as traditional studying of languages, which actually works best. Because sometime last year December, I took a Korean level test on the King Sejong Institute Academy website. Yeah, and my results came out as being lower intermediate. And it got me wondering because I had not actively studied Korean for a long time. And I could have sworn that I was a beginner, like I was at the beginner level. But then the results came out as me being intermediate. And it makes me wonder, it brings the question, what actually works between passive comprehensible input and active studying? Because I didn't study Korean actively. I studied passively by consuming content I understand and content that I don't understand. So I wonder if that helped to play a role in the increase of, my knowledge in Korean. Many experts say that comprehensible input is like literally the best way to learn a language. There's evidence all over the place. Just consume comprehensible content in your language, in your target language. Meanwhile, some other people say active studying is best, like a classroom setting of studying. But then I think it depends on the languages because you cannot learn a language completely through comprehensible input if you don't have at least a basic knowledge of that language. It is my opinion, it is something that I've seen because in primary school I learned French in the classroom setting and it was okay. So if I decide to start taking in comprehensible input in French, I might understand some things and make an improvement. But if I decide to start taking comprehensible input in Bahasa Indonesia, that would not make sense. It wouldn't go anywhere. In Korean, I had a basic knowledge because I had studied for like 2 years or something. Still not actively, but I at least had a basic knowledge, and that's why I think it worked. So, in general, it depends. If you're the type that is starting a new language from scratch, I don't think comprehensible input really work. You should actively study for some time before you indulge in comprehensible input, and that is going to like help your level to increase exponentially. That is just what my thought is. But I'd like to know what you think of this. Does passive comprehensible input work better than active studying and why?